Hey friends, Wayne over here at the Ram Man. I'm gonna try to make a little better video. That other sumbitch was so fucking blurry. But anyway, uh, cable stops for the emergency brake. There's all kinds. There's kinds that slip on and you tighten down a screw and this and that and the other and blah blah blah. Here's a couple factory ones. All of our Dodges right here. You see that barrel that's there on the end. And they're just soldered on. So, basically, to work on your calipers, because they got a great big long comes in, wraps around on the drum brakes, moving the shoes. Typically, you're shortening this thing by several inches, and putting your barrel on. So, I ship these little pieces that they'll do the job, and of course you just knock off the fucking plastic or whatever on your cable, because they got the plastic on there. And of course use you some flux. If you've never soldered before, you probably, well, it doesn't take a rocket science, and it's typical like repair solder or plumbing solder or whatever. Fairly aggressive. This is acid core, 4060 acid flux core. You typically don't use acid core on electrical stuff. It's well, eat up the little connections and eat up the little wires and stuff. So anyway, so you just slip your little furl on there. Use a little bit of flux. Back in the day, my old man used to say, make sure you put plenty of flux on there. That's what cleans it or whatever, so you get a good connection. Especially like when soldering wires or whatever. Same sort of thing when you're brazing. So, and it doesn't take much heat. It doesn't take much heat at all. You'll see how easy this melts. And you don't need a map gas torch like I've got, but I do a lot of things with this. So there's our flux is already cut loose, and you can get this thing too hot and all your solder will just drip right off. You see, I'm not even using the torch anymore. And I've moved my little ferrule, trying to dauber it up a whole bunch for you. See, it doesn't take much at all. Our solder is still melting. If I hold it there, you'll get the hang of it. And so literally that's all it takes. I mean, it's a real simple process, and as soon as it cools off just a little bit, that little cable stop, it's locked on. So it's real fast and real easy. Most dudes have got a little torch. I mean, hell, one of them little butane things will do it. A little bitty deal of solder. You don't need a whole bunch, and like I said, basically non-electrical repair solder. It's acid flux core. Of course, they say it's got the flux in there, but you always gonna be better off. It's kind of just like brazing rods or whatever, man. I dip that in my own flux or whatever. You get them ones that got the flux on there, yeah. Well, we won't get all off into that shit. But anyway, so that's literally all there is to it, my friend. And you just cool that thing off real quick, and that sumbitch is on there. It's on there. So make sure. So that's all you gotta do. I don't want to beat it up. The other one was so blurry you couldn't see it and all that stuff. So I wanted to help you guys out, and nobody online. All this 13 and a half minutes to show somebody how to solder on the end of. Oh my God. Anyway, God bless you. God bless America. And happy brake cabling.